Just 6 months ago, Xiaomi updated its Mi Mix smartphone with a refined full-screen design, but the company has just announced the latest update, the Mi Mix 2S. Xiaomi is quick to cite all the design and recognition awards received by the Mi Mix 2, so it's no surprise to see the company keep the same design for the Mi Mix 2S. However, there are a handful of notable updates, which included a new processor, wireless charging and a new dual-camera system. The Mi Mix 2S will be available in China from next week, and the launch to the other markets of Xiaomi will be made soon after. However, it will not come to the United States. We are comparing with the iPhone X because people say it is the best phone. We just want to show that we surpass the best in many functions, exclaimed Lei Jun, in a crowded Shanghai auditorium at today's presentation. The Mi Mix 2S is also half the price of Apple's flagship, which starts at 3,299 yuan, around $527. From the front, the Mi Mix 2S is indistinguishable from the Mi Mix 2. It has a 5.99-inch Full HD LCD screen, with moldings on the sides and on the top. Hidden in the lower right corner of the chin of the phone is the 5-megapixel front camera, which has not changed and is as uncomfortable as the previous model. Avoid the need for a notch on the top of the phone, but it certainly does not come without other commitments. The Mi Mix 2S will be available in a black version with gold trim or in a white model with silver trim.